Once upon a time in a lively town, there were three friends, Alex, Maya, and Tom. They were inseparable and always up for a good laugh. Now, these three friends were known for their unique personalities. Alex was the eternal optimist, Maya was the practical realist, and Tom was the witty joker of the group. One sunny day, as they lazed under their favorite big old tree, a conversation about success and happiness sparked among them. They all had different ideas of what it meant to be truly successful and happy. Alex, the optimist, proclaimed, "Success is all about being content with what we have and spreading joy wherever we go. The key to happiness is a positive attitude." Maya, the realist, countered, "Success comes from hard work, determination, and making practical decisions. Happiness is about finding a balance in life and staying grounded." Tom, the joker, interjected with a smirk, "Well, success is probably about finding a treasure chest full of gold, and happiness is never running out of your favorite snack." As they debated over what the ultimate path to success and happiness was, an old man passing by approached them. He had a mischievous twinkle in his eye and a knowing smile. "You three have quite the spirited discussion," he said. "Let me tell you a story that might just shine some light on your debate." The friends eagerly listened as the old man began his tale with a humorous tone. There was once a wealthy king who sought the secret to true happiness. He called upon the wisest scholars, philosophers, and thinkers in the land to find the answer. The old man mimicked the haughty manner of the king, making the friends chuckle. After much searching, the scholars presented the king with a simple ring inscribed with the words, "This too shall pass." The king was perplexed. How could this be the key to happiness? The friends exchanged quizzical glances, intrigued by the story. The old man continued, "The king wore the ring, and whenever he felt immense joy, he would remember, 'This too shall pass.' This kept him humble and appreciative. Likewise, in times of sorrow, when he glanced at the ring, he found hope in the knowledge that his pain was also temporary." The friends nodded in understanding, grasping the wisdom within the humorous anecdote. The old man concluded, "The moral of the story, my dear friends, is that success and happiness are not about specific achievements or possessions. True success lies in humility and kindness, and genuine happiness is found in appreciating the fleeting moments of joy and holding on to hope in the face of adversity." The friends looked at each other, absorbing the old man's words. They realized that success and happiness were indeed intertwined with kindness, humility, gratitude, and finding humor in life's quirk. From that day on, the three friends vowed to live by the wisdom of the old man's tale, cherishing their bond, finding joy in the little things, and embracing life's ups and downs with a good laugh. As they sauntered back home, Tom couldn't resist cracking a joke about the old man's lively storytelling, and the friends burst into laughter, knowing that their journey together would always be filled with the best kind of success and happiness, the kind that comes from the heart.